Hi everyone, let's get ready with me. I'm going to attend a cultural function for Saraswati Puja. So I'm just going to get ready very quickly. Today I want to create something Desi. I want to create a bit Desi look. I'm going to do my skincare quickly. Now I'm going to quickly apply some blush. I'm going to use this to tint. These are both from Nude as my blush. First I'm going to use the orange one. Then I'm going to use this pink one. This is actually a red one. Now that I'm done with blush, I'm going to apply quickly this concealer. Now I'm going to mix my Sunburst Glow and my foundation together. Applying foundation. Now I'm quickly going to contour. Now I'm going to set my face. I'm using GRWM translucent powder. So first I'm going to take this brown kajal. Then I am going to create a thick eyeliner line. Now I'm going to blend this eyeliner with this color at first. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and take this burgundy color and apply it all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to take another brush and take this shadow and blend all the edges of this burgundy shadow so that there is no harsh line. Now I'm going to take my previous flat brush and I'm going to take this burgundy shade and this shade together and blend on my lid. We diffuse all the harsh line. Okay, now that we have got a very nice smoky burgundy color, I'm going to take my black kajal and create a line on my eyelid. Take a deep brown shadow and blend this black kajal. Just blend everything together. You do not need to be very precise or anything. I'm going to take this golden shadow and apply it in the center of my eyelid. Now take this brush, this flat brush, and blend it on the eyelid part, whatever was left on that. Now we're going to apply black kajal on our lower outer line and also we are going to tight line. Now again I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to take some of this burgundy shadow and this shadow together and smudge my kajal. We're going to put some mascara on and set our eyebrows very quickly. Let's put a little bit more blush and highlight our face. I'm super late. Highlighter. Our face is done. Now just some mascara and lipstick. Lip liner expose. we're done.